Alright, crew, so hey, I'm not sure how this is gonna work out, but I'm gonna just make a little short video, guys. I want you guys to get like a nice third eye view here, old Blue Ash. Heck, man, I tell you what, it's been raining every day, and I haven't been able to, you know, take her out and give her a whole wash. So it's just been in the garage and stuff. I've been driving it, but I tell you what, man, it just gets so dusty in the garage so fast, and I don't even really have her in the garage whenever I'm working in there. So it's just all that dust and stuff settles down. So anyway, I got about to turn the heat on. That's one cool thing about this truck, man. It has heat. I got my push button radio down here, and I got the flip top, got the little remote to go with it, you know. But you know, everything's right here by my hand, so you know. And then like that, my gauges so far, Blue Ash, man, I tell you, I just couldn't be so happy. I have, you know, knock on wood, man. I don't have no lights on my gauges. I only got 739 miles and stuff. So it's great, man. And actually, I got to run a few errands today. I got to run where we get my paint. It's called Color Match. So I just do a quick video and talk about the little stuff that's going on, man, because we got a lot of good stuff coming up that I'm excited for the channel. It's also, I got a friend that wants me to come and check out a vehicle, so that may be a good opportunity for us. We just keep missing days and stuff, so you know, I'm gonna check that out. I got people always calling me up, wanting me to, you know, look at vehicles or trying to sell me vehicles. What people don't understand, man, is that when I already got so many projects, you know, I can only do so many projects. Yeah, what people don't understand is everybody trying to sell me stuff and sell me trucks and all that. Hey, it's nice to have all those items, and if I, you know, had a means to put them, that'll be another thing too. But you know, when you're working on projects and stuff, it's hard for you to, you know, now everybody's like the last couple of years, everybody's been calling me, you know, do I want this project? Hey, I got this square body. And I mean, you know, I would love to have it, but I also got to be, you know, reasonable and stuff. I'm doing this for a hobby. I'm doing it because I, you know, like to work with my old trucks and stuff. You know, I'm a DIY channel, and you know, I want to create and put stuff on my channel that everyday people are having problems with. And I'm just a common guy with common hobbies, and I just kind of figure that, you know, me working on cars, building these trucks and stuff, this is what guys are doing every day, man. I'm not doing nothing new, but you know, I am sharing it. You know, and that's one thing that I said whenever I was younger, that I wish I didn't have any mentors when I was younger. All right, and unfortunately, I didn't have someone to say, "Hey, come and help me work on this this motor." You know, come and help me change brakes. I've learned this as an adult, you know, and I'm still learning. And that's what I try to tell a lot of people on YouTube and my YouTube followers and stuff, is that there's not a lot of people that like to share their trade. And unfortunately, with my trade, as far as working on these old cars, it's gonna be a dying trade, man, because I go to these car shows and stuff with my buddies, and it's like the only people you see at these car shows are guys 40 and above. You know, you don't see two now. You know, you may see one or two guys in their 20s. But that's why I try to tell people, man, we need to share our craft, because if we don't, it's gonna be dead. So I'm gonna turn you guys back on and we'll talk a little bit more. All right, as you guys see, I'm in my wife's GMC, I actually switched up vehicles at work. She came and relieved me for about 15 minutes so I could go run and get some paint supplies. And I actually got a pretty good parking space with Blue Ash, so I didn't want to move them because I may not get that parking space when I get back. So that's why you guys see me in a different vehicle. Need to get some more beige primer. I used it all last time I was priming and stuff, so go down here and see what they have to offer. They normally have some pretty good deals whenever down here at the paint store. And also I got a color that I want them to mix. I'm gonna see how much I guess one of those small container, I guess it's about paint size. See how much paint size if they can mix me up a color of paint that I want. And try to do, you know, maybe I do it on a project or whatever. So anyway, let's go ahead and head down a color match on the Tennessee side. Let's pick up some beige primer that I love so much and see what other kind of stuff they got in there. Man, it's terrible out here today, this weather. But the grind must go on, never ending. I'm about to pull up in here. The color match, they moved about a year ago and it's a little bit further out the way, but they have some good supplies. I normally only use 2 paint stores. I go to my buddy Phil and over at A1 Auto, and then I always go to Color Match here. I like their primer here. And it's a paint that I normally, I use a lot of Nasons, but it's also a good paint that A1 Auto Supply in Bristol, Virginia is called Wanda. And it's kind of, it's inexpensive, but I actually painted my 62 with Wanda paint, and it was really good, man. It laid down really good. For my very first paint job, I have no complaints about it. And then even when after I even buffed it out, it was even better. Color match right there. Let's go in here and see what we got. Alright, so we're picking up this here. They got a pretty cool place. Anything you need. He mixed my paint up over there. Alright, so we just now leaving Color Match, and I got my supplies, so now I'm ready to go back to the house and do some priming of some parts. And I got some paint. I got like a little paint just for some test panels, and I got a cool little like, I guess it's like a paint chip pad that you can spray to see if you like the color of the paint and stuff. So that's going to be interesting. It's the first time I ever used something like that. So I guess I'll spray that panel first with that beige primer, because that underlayment, that it'll give me a different type of tint, different type of color if I just spray it straight white. So anyway, guys, that's going to be it for right now. Like I said, I didn't really have too much going on. I just wanted to touch bases with you guys and let you guys know what we're doing in the garage and stuff. So I got some pretty cool episodes coming up, guys. Stay tuned. We're getting knee deep into the 53 panel truck build. Right now we're actually working on as far as the logos on both sides of the cab of the truck, and hopefully this weekend I will be doing the review. I just got through doing the DeWalt review. That was a really cool review. You guys really seem to enjoy that review, so I'm gonna start doing more tool reviews, what's in your toolbox. So the next one will be, I believe it's called the bar. Get it from Harbor Freight. So this weekend I will be doing the tool review on the bar screwdriver. And if I'm not pronouncing that right, guys, that's that North Carolina accent coming out of me. Just write down some comments in below if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But we'll be doing that tour review, and so look forward to that, guys. And like I said, I got some, once this rain start to give up a little bit, let up a little bit, I got an awesome upgrade for the 2018 GMC. I got a cold air intake. It's an S&B intake, guys. We're going to be doing some I will be doing like some the specs in there. I'm gonna drive it with it on, and of course I'm gonna take some videos of it off and see what type of RPMs and see how it sounds. So I will be doing that video as well, guys. So I got a lot more upgrades to come. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited. Just trying to wait for this weather to have a little break in it, because you guys know I'm still grinding in the garage. It's just hard to get outside whenever I'm doing stuff that's not in the garage. So hey guys, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I'm about to head back into work, drop the wife car off, and hey, I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. But like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.